Anyone who is using PowerPoint has faced stubborn text boxes, ones that won't delete, format oddly, or can be selected. Now, issues often include block layers, unselectable text, or group objects that won't edit independently. So in this video, we will show you exactly how to delete text boxes in PowerPoint. So you can start the process by hovering over the text box's edges. So when your cursor becomes a 4-hour cross, you've hit the jackpot. That will be your text box. But if it's being shy, use the selection pane to uncover it among other elements. You can open this pane via the Home tab, then click Select, then choose Selection Pane. Now this feature displays a neat list of all objects on the slide, making it easy to spot and select the text boxes you wish to remove. Just remember that getting text boxes to vanish without a trace often requires an extra touch of care. So after selecting your intended text box, look out for that all-important confirmation dialog. Now you always have to confirm the deletion to prevent losing valuable data, or if you have made a mistake, you can just rely on the undo feature, which is your presentation lifesaver. However, if you're facing a text box that clings on like a stubborn stain, do not worry, as there's always a trick up PowerPoint's sleeve. Now when pressing the delete key does not work, you have to inspect the text box properties. Sometimes, specific settings prevent removal, so reset them to standard, and this alone can solve your issue. And on the off chance that you might stumbled upon a locked text box, you just have to right-click on the text box, then select Unlock. And that's how to delete your text boxes in your PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.